Yeah. Okay, so we have the adapter, the charger, microphone, pretty lights, wireless, the remote control. I think, oh no. Ah, here's the remote control. Go further away. So in the back we have the handle, just like a suitcase. Take off this plastic later. And we have mic 1, mic 2 inputs, guitar volume, microphone echo for the power supply, mic priority on and off, inputs RCA jacks left and right, no, this is if you have a 12-volt battery, like a car or something, and then the power on, off. And in the front we have bass, treble, microphone volume and master volumes. And then here you can put in USB sticks, SD cards. It has Bluetooth and you can control your next track, etc, etc. You can also record your live songs to your cards. And there's also a radio. Okay, that's it for now.